multitasking is a complete fallacy. Our brain is not capable of multitasking. It is rapidly switching from one to another. Use this understanding. How are you going to express yourself? We need that expression.
So coming back to the session, one of the good things is about COVID. Let's take on the pause here. We are with our families, right? We are trying to we're getting more time, right? Fortunately, if this was not happened, we will all have been dispersed in different places and just living our lives. For now, because of COVID, we are with the family. This is good for some people, but for students who were in hostel, who were in different places, right? Where they had a freedom, now they are with the families. The statement is same. The analogy is completely opposite, right? For someone it's happiness, for someone not the other, right? The freedom is getting away. What do you have to say about it? How to deal with the happiness? How to deal with the, like, basically the question for teenagers, how they deal with the family. They are being in the family. They have lost their freedom of going out at night, eating pizzas at night, keeping awake till night, right? So how do you deal with this? How do you explain few things to your parents? What are the things you should take from your parents, right? You cannot like agree just to everything because they have a very different point of view. We have a very different point of view. At the same time, they have experience. We lack that, right? So how can we bring a balance or the bridge between the generation gap or whatever you can say?
I'll explain this again a little bit from behaviorism and how our brain functions. What happens primarily with the generation gap is that the older generation has had a different sort of socialization. Okay. Most of us, my generation and above, I'm saying, we are, we look for our place in society. We've had to struggle so much, but my parents' generation especially, we've had to struggle so much. Money was scarce, resources were scarce, jobs were scarce. So for us, it was very important कि हम लोग एक safety पे पहुंच जाए. So safety becomes very important. Social status becomes very important. लोग क्या कहेंगे? What will people think of us? What is the right thing to do? Society के लिए, समाज की तरफ से. These aspects become very important. When you are able to understand but I will say that is a little bit of an unthinking brain also. जो हमारा socialization है, हम लोग भी करते हैं, but our socialization is what कि मुझे इतने सारे likes चाहिए social media पे, I should be wearing the hashtag trending top today, today I must get सबके पास cold shoulder है, sorry I know cold shoulder is very old, but जो भी है, जो trending ये है.
Don't worry, we don't even know what cold shoulder is, so it's perfectly fine.
The two engineers and two guys, what am I even saying? Chalo, everybody's playing PUBG this week. Now this becomes the new game. Okay? So yeah, I'm speaking the same language. So keep in mind that whenever we want to become a part of the crowd, that is our unthinking brain. It's us, जो herd mentality हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, it is basically caveman seeking. We realize that when we are in a group, there is safety in numbers. Then that when the tiger comes, I can sleep today because my neighbor is looking to see if the tiger is going to attack me or not. We realize that there is that safety. So when we feel threatened in any kind of way, when we don't feel very secure about ourselves, we seek to blend in with the, and our parents do it in a different way. We do it in a different way, but we are also doing that. So just that understanding that, okay, till I understand that they have come from that mindset, and yes, it is impacting me, but that understanding alone will give you a little bit of pause to think, okay, should I react for everything? Slowly, once we realize that, then now we have to say, okay, I understand where dad is coming from. I understand mom wants to keep me safe. I understand my mom is worried for me. She's still seeing me as a child, but we are not child anymore, or we may think we are not child anymore. What also happens with rebellion is कि हम लोग हमारा identity बन रहा है. It's like typically between 18 and 24 that most of our cognitive functions start to truly, like what we call executive function, right? Us operating in the world, risk assessment, forward thinking, critical reasoning, all of this happens at that time. So what is also happening for us is we are emerging as individuals. and by that I mean people of that age group, right? Teenagers onward. They're emerging as individuals, but they are not fully sure yet of their place in the outside world. So to some extent, I'll wear black eyeshadow, I'll wear my goth t-shirt to show people that this is truly me. But in fact, I'm like every other goth on the planet. But okay, that's a different thing. But this is all expressions of our individuality. हम चाहते हैं कि दुनिया हमें पहचाने कि I am something special, I'm individual, I'm unique. But how do we show this? I'm little scared. If I go in front of you guys and wear my goth makeup, what if somebody laughs at me? I'll feel very embarrassed. Na? So what will I do? I will go to the person whose love I am most sure of. Mummy डांटेगी, daddy मुझे punish करेंगे, but I know that he will not stop loving me. So I want to rebel against that. So on the one side, you have somebody who's got all the socialization fears, this, that. इसको बोलते हैं, they're your neolimbic brain, जो भी है, it's all our socialization seeking brain. On the other hand, you have this emerging individuality that wants to prove, see me. That's why you have all these conflicts. It's this individual personality developing versus the brain that's saying stay safe, stay within limits, stay, let us not cause any. So this will create, but that understanding alone will tell you. Now, are you going to be able to change your parents? No. Can you then use this understanding? How are you going to express yourself? We need that expression. Yes. Can you express yourself by writing something? Find who you truly are. Why do you want to express yourself, like I said, as every other goth on the planet? Find your true expression, right? My expression may be I'm able to write very interesting articles. I may be able to find connections where people are not. Sitting in my house, I may be able to start a YouTube channel. And slowly, when you give your parents the confidence that, look, I am behaving like an adult, you can start to be slowly assertive. You need to understand what their fear is. Mom, you're worried that if I go out, my city is not safe. Okay, what if I tell you that I'm going to this person's house? You can call me there. This is the route. I promise I will be back by 10. You need to give that confidence also. Yeah. I'm not saying it's easy. Also keep in mind it's temporary, hopefully, So when you see the helplessness of your parents, maybe hum mein daya aa jayega again. Again, it's down to the quality of understanding, right? Daya, compassion. Yeah. We understand that it's their limitation, where they are coming from. They are unable to. Can they see beyond that? No, they cannot see beyond. Some parents can, but 90% of parents cannot, right? So, okay, but still they have fed us. They have, और हमें ऐसा लगता है, the other thing, big fallacy is the sense of entitlement. The world owes me. My parents owe me. Sorry, boss. From the minute you are born, from the minute you're conceived, you are a consumer. You have been eating, drinking in the water, taking the resources of the planet, taking the time of your parents, giving them gray hair, making them poorer. You are a consumer. I mean, in a sense, in a very horrible way to say. Both. Yeah. So we are not entitled by, if anything, we owe a huge debt. Now, it's not to make you feel bad. It's just to say that, what is, instead of asking, what are you going to do for me? How can you do this to me? You should have done this for me. We should ask, what can I do instead? How can I repay this debt? What is my role in this planet? I've eaten so much to become from this single cell, to become from this embryo to become this gigantic 90 kilo strapping 6 foot tall guy, whatever that means. The question we need to ask ourselves in a way is, what is the debt I owe back? Because that profit and loss ka jo hai na, the P&L has got to balance at the end of the day. If you keep on just taking, somewhere the cost has to be, somebody's got to pay the bill. Okay, somebody's got to, the net has always got to be balanced, right? So when we think like that, again, it could give us some understanding, but that said, I do understand it's a difficult time. Like I said, try and find your release in a way for now that causes the least amount of, especially if you know that, how much longer can it go on now? In another 1 or 2 months, colleges will reopen. What is the least amount of friction that I can cause in this while giving some expression to myself? Yes, there will be times when you'll have to assert yourself, but you can do that not from a sense of entitlement, but playing it strategically. I always use the example of जो picture है ना, Matrix. It's one of my favorite movies. It's total philosophy. You're entering the Matrix. Please understand that this is a game that we are playing. Every relationship that we enter, ऐसा नहीं कि it's not deceptive, but please know that it's a construct again, right? कि I am the child, you are the parent. How do I navigate this? How do I navigate this to create? What do you want? You want something out of this, right? What is the best? Can I go there and say bang, 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 bang? I want this, and everybody should stop right now and give it. It's again, I mean, fallacy. You can, by all means, please try. If it's working for you, good for you. But please know that today you bang on your parents' door. Tomorrow you go bang on your boss's door. He's going to say, "Please leave. Nice door. Please walk right out of it." So always, these are all great learning. In fact, I would say that if you can learn to deal with this conflict, because the conflict with the parents is always the most emotionally charged, है ना? Because we have so many expectations, we have so many we should, we shouldn't, old hurt, old wounds, so many unsaid things. If you're able to recreate or redefine your relationship with your parents at this time, trust me, it will be great practice for you when you guys get into a relationship, when you guys get into a leadership position, when you guys get into any kind of conflict situation. So think of it like that, like, you know, it's like great training ground. It's marines ka training job. It's that.
But we'll put a disclaimer: the suggestions are given by a parent. These might be biased. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Always.
So my quote will be, झगड़े से प्यार बढ़ता है, but प्यार से भी तो प्यार बढ़ सकता है.
My God, you're a philosopher, Sajal.
Hello everyone. So this is a part of our video series, The New Normal. Make sure to hit the like button, do share it, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Please hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Avsar.life. Also, let us know in the comment section below how you felt about it. Till then, take care, stay safe.